Hello children, welcome back to the online maths class at BMS School at Home. Children, in today's class we are going to learn about the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay? Addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay? So first we are going to see addition of 2-digit number with regrouping. Okay children? So the first question, add 73 and 97. So children, what is the first step? Yes, write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay? So these two are 2-digit numbers. So the 2-digit numbers have two values, that is ones and tens. Okay? So now write the numbers one below the other as per the place value. Okay? So in 73, 3 ones and 7 tens. Okay? And in 97, 7 ones and 9 tens. Okay? So the symbol is plus. Okay ma'am? Now children, you have to add the values in the ones place. Okay? That is 7 plus 3. So add the digit in the ones place, that is 7 plus 3. Okay? So what do you want to do first? Yes, keep the bigger number in mind. Okay? So in 7 and 3, which one is the bigger number? Yes, 7 is the bigger number. So keep 7 in mind and take smaller numbers in your fingers. Okay? So take 3 in your finger and add. Okay? 7 after 8, 9 and 10. Okay children? So 10, this is 2-digit number, isn't it? Regroup 10 ones as 0 ones and 1 tens. Okay? So you have to write 0 in ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Okay? Now add the values in the tens place. Okay? That means 1 plus 7 plus 9. Okay children? Now children, here also keep the bigger number in mind. Yes, 9 is the bigger number and take smaller number in your fingers. Okay? So the smaller number is 1. So 9 plus 1 means 10. 10 plus 7. Then after again you have to keep bigger number in mind and take smaller number in your finger. Okay children? So 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay children? 17 tens. So you have to regroup the 17 tens as 107 tens. Okay? That means you have to write 7 in the tens place and 1 in the 100 place. Okay children? So thus the sum is 170. Okay? Thus the sum is 170. So the answer is 73 plus 97 equal to 170. Okay? Now let's see one more example. Add 56 plus 45 plus 99. Okay children? So these three numbers are 2-digit numbers. The 2-digit numbers have two values, that is ones and tens. Okay? Now children, write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay? So the first number is 56, that is 5 tens and 6 ones. And the second number is 45, so 4 tens and 5 ones. And the third number is 99, that is 9 tens and 9 ones. Okay? So the symbol is plus. Okay, we want to add these three numbers. Okay, children. So the next step is, yes, you have to add the numbers in the ones place value. Okay, so what do you want to do first? Yes, keep the bigger number in mind and take the smaller number in your fingers. Okay, that means 9 plus 5 plus 6. Here the bigger number is 9 and the smaller number is 5. So 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 9 plus 5 is 14 and plus 6. Okay, so here the bigger number is 14 and smaller number is 6. So 14 after, yeah, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so children, we got 21s, isn't it? 21s. So you can regroup as 2 10 and 0 ones. Okay, 2 10s and 0 ones. So you have to write 0 in the ones place and carry over 2 in the tens place. Okay, children. Now you have to add 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. So keep the bigger number in mind. Yes, here the bigger number is 9 and the smaller number is 2. Okay, so 9 after, yeah, 10 and 11. Okay, so 11 plus 4 plus 5. Here the bigger number is 11 and the smaller number is 4. Okay, children, now add these two numbers. Yeah, keep 11 in mind and take 4 fingers. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 15 plus 5. Okay, children, here also the bigger number is 15. You have to take 15 in your mind and the smaller number is 5. You have to take this 5 in your finger. Okay, children, so 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so the answer is 20. So 20 tens. Okay, so you have to regroup 20 tens as 0 tens and 2 hundreds. Okay, so you have to write 0 in tens place and 2 in the hundred place. Okay, so thus the sum is 200. Okay, children, so you can write the answer like this: 56 plus 45 plus 99 is 200. Okay, children. Children, the next topic is addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, so the first question is add 456 and 739. Okay, so children, here these two numbers are 3-digit numbers. Okay, so the 3-digit numbers have 3 values, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so the first step is you have to write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay, so for the 456, 400, 5 tens and 6 ones. Okay, and for the 739, 7 hundreds, 3 tens and 9 ones. Okay, so the addition symbol is plus. Okay, children, now the next step is, yes, you have to add the digits in the ones place. Okay, so here the bigger number is 9, so you have to keep 9 in mind and the smaller number is 6. Okay, so you have to take 6 in your fingers. Okay, children, so 9 plus 6 gives us 15. Okay, 9 plus 6 gives us 15. That means 15 ones. So we can regroup as 5 ones and 1 tens. Okay, So you have to write 5 in ones place, and once you have to carry over to the tens place. Okay. Now children, the next step is you have to add the digits in the tens place. Okay. That is 1 plus 5 plus 3. Okay. So you have to keep bigger number in mind, that is 5 in mind, and take smaller number in your fingers, that is 1. So 5 after 6. And you have to keep this 6 bigger number in mind and take smaller number 3 in your fingers. So 6 plus 3 gives us 9. Okay children. So 9 tens. So you can write 9 in the tens place. Now the next step is you have to add the digit in the hundred place. Okay. That is 7 plus 4. Okay. Here the bigger number is 7 and the smaller number is 4. So keep 7 in mind and take 4 in your fingers. So 7 plus 4 gives us 11. Okay children. So here 11 hundreds, isn't it? That means 1 hundreds, and you can regroup this 1100 as 100 and 1000. Okay children. So the sum is 1195. So you can write the answer like this: 456 plus 739 gives us 1195. 1195. Okay children. Now let's look at the next one. 176 plus 29 plus 300. Okay. So children, among these three numbers, the bigger digit is 3-digit numbers. Okay. That is ones, tens and hundreds. So you have to write ones, tens and 100. Now the next step is, write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay. So in 176 there are 100, 7 tens and 6 ones. And in 29, 2 tens and 9 ones. And for the 300, 300s, 0 tens and 0 ones. Okay. Now the next step is you have to add these three numbers. So the addition symbol is plus. Okay children. Now you have to add the digits in the ones place. Okay. So what do you want to do next? Yes, keep the bigger number in mind. Okay. That means 6 plus 9 plus 0. You have to add these three numbers. Here you have to keep the bigger number in mind. Here the bigger number is 9 and the smaller number is 6. So 9 plus 6 gives us 15. Okay. So 15 plus 0, 15 only. Okay. That means 15 ones. So you have to write 5 in ones place and you have to carry over 1 to the tens place. Okay. Now you have to add the digits in the tens place. That is 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0. So here the bigger number is 2 and the smaller number is 1. So 7 after 8. And keep 8 in mind and take 2 in your fingers. So 8 after 9 and 10. Now keep 10 in mind. 10 plus 0, 10 only. Okay children. So this is 10 tens. That means you can regroup this as 0 tens and 100. Okay. So you have to write 0 in the tens place and carry over 1 to the 100 place. Okay. Now you have to add the digits in the 100 place. Okay. That is 1 plus 3. Here the bigger number is 1 and the bigger number is 3 and the smaller number is 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so you have to write 5 in the 100 place. Okay, so the 176 plus 29 plus 300, the sum is 505. Okay children? Okay children, in today's class we learned the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, so children, what is the first step? Yes, you have to write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay, then the next step, yes, you have to add the digits in the ones place. That means 7 plus 3 is 10. So you have to write 0 in the ones place and you have to carry over ones to the tens place. Okay children, and the next step is you have to add the digits in the tens place like this. 1 plus 7 plus 9, that gives us 17. So 17 means 17 tens. So you have to regroup this as 7 tens and 1 hundreds. So you have to write 7 in the tens place and you 1 to the 100 place. Okay children? Okay children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.